Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to remove unwanted comments in your WordPress. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. WordPress is one of the most very popular content management system. It is used by many websites around the world. One of the most common thing that we do in WordPress, especially for those who are sending us unsolicited comments that becomes a spam, is to remove the unwanted comments. Comments are good in our website because it will give us feedback on how the audience or visitor in our website likes our content, or critic or suggestion how we can improve our articles or news that we posted in our website. Now, to remove the unwanted comments in WordPress, we are here in the dashboard. Click here, comments. So we have several anonymous comments here. Okay, some of which is become spam. Okay, just like this one. It is very irrelevant to my website. My website, it deals with source code, no? So what we can do is to click each one of them. We have to check now whether the comment is irrelevant or not, no? So after we check, including this one for this example, we can go here for bulk action, mark as spam, or move to trash. I will click here, move to trash, and then apply. Okay, let us wait. Okay, 10 comments are moved into trash. That's it. Now that is the simplest way, no, to remove unwanted comments. Additional, we have here additional comments that we want to remove in our WordPress. Okay, okay, let us check each one of them. Okay, so in this case, we go to bulk action. Let us click is mark as spam, and then apply. Okay, let us wait again. Okay, so it is already moved now to spam. 15 mark as spam. That's it guys, no? So we're able to remove unwanted comments in our WordPress, in our website. So this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new on how to remove unwanted comments in WordPress. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.